Hey everybody, weekend adventure. It's the new year, 1st of January. What we're doing is we're in Hungry Valley. We're gonna go straight to the snow. We're gonna go look for the snow and try to get some cool vids of riding in the snow. So that's pretty much it. We're out. All right guys, I turned the camera on. Wow, the traction is so amazing. I thought last time it was, but today is wow. Oh, back there it was, sorry. Power line trail. I have the feeling it's going to be really wet and slippery and most likely icy. Power line road, let's go. Oh yeah, it's slippery. That was weird back there. It felt like I was on a flat. Oh yeah. We're getting up into the snow, guys. This is what we came for. Careful. Oh shit. Oh yeah guys. Slippery, icy. Oh yes. Nice. Uh-oh. Digging it. Alright, again, January 1st, first ride day of the year. Hungry Valley Gorman, big difference. No more deserty. Oh, he got me. That little sucker. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, get a little sideways there, guys. Literally, I'm getting mud thrown in my mouth right now. Like, it's not even that cold. It seems cold, but it doesn't seem like it's too cold. Oh, the mud. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys. It's a little slick. This is, I think. Wow, look at the deer. Look at the deer. Wow, one went up, one's running on the road. That's awesome. He's going up. He's gone. He got scared. That's awesome. That's how nobody's really been through here. Oh my goodness, become a little hot. Man, this is the dirtiest my bike's gonna be. Look at the snow. Oh, he's throwing snow at me. Yeah, we out here. After this, I think I'm gonna do is we're gonna go on a single track. Oh goodness, look at this. It's a winter wonderland for bikes. he's trying to get me. I get you too, bud. Little snow rip. Snow mud rip. Right in my mouth. Great. I got dirt in my mouth, guys. I think I'm gonna have COVID. Dirt went right in my mouth. Does that mean you're gonna get COVID because dirt gets in your mouth? I don't know. I think it just made me a little stronger, a little more resistant for COVID. Oh yeah, this is icy here. Icy, rocky. Oh! Oh! You almost dumped it. Yep. Almost threw the 06 on the ground. Lots of low traction there. You hear it RPM up. No. Fine, I knew he was gonna do that. I swear, guys, he waits to I get on him just so he can roost me. Oh my god, I hate that, guys. For some reason, Honda decided to do this. It's constantly getting stuck on my face. You know, they want you to lean forward. They want you to lean forward on your bike, but don't. This damn front brake's so high up, it catches right in your face, whatever you're on. Yes, technically. You're not supposed to have a GoPro, I guess. GoPro got stuck here again. I know, look. That's because I ride on you. I'm on you. Yeah. Every time you go through a puddle, you roost me on purpose. I know.